Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Excuse me, my name is Renee Ivory. I'm the one that called. Not I called first, not him.
Just hang out over there then, so we can stay separated.
I know you need to go to the drunk tank.
Big time.
Crazy.
Stupid. She won't get
Stop sign right there.
And all this is right outside of the post office. What's up, y'all? Back in the Gilman district over here by the Tesla service center. Homeless camping on 8th and Harrison. Wow, there's a lot of dogs over there. 3 big old dogs. Yo, it's crazy on this street. Man, it doesn't smell too bad, which is surprising. And all this is right outside of the post office. It's a huge post office too. Look, the bus got to come through here and everything. Oh, hey puppy.
Yeah, that's where you got them bones from. For that duck right there. Come on, right there, do that. Nothing, he's a bitch.
No, there's no bitch. It's no bitch.
Excuse me, my name is Renee Ivory. I'm the one that called. Not I called first, not him. I called up.
Okay, I'll come over. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Here, come on this corner. Okay.
Number one, you can tell already. He's drunk, that's the problem. The bitch nigga's drunk already. You can tell that. Tell him to see one clear thing, brother. I bet you can. Tell him to see one clear thing before you can. He's drunk. You hear it in the voice.
We're coming to talk to you too, okay?
I'm the one who called y'all.
I'll call you too. I'll call you too.
Yeah, following the woman reader.
Sir, sit down.
Nah, I can't sit on the ground. I can't.
Okay,
You
just
sit down, y'all banging on it. Y'all slamming on
Okay.
it. Sit on it.
just hang out over there then, so we can stay separated.
I know you
Okay?
need to go to the drunk tank.
Okay, here. What's your name?
Facebook.
Facebook.
Yeah, here comes another cop coming.
Ivory. Ivory, you all live.
Ivory. When's your birthday? Okay. Just talk to me. Don't make it right.
How do you even start now? All you want I don't know. I mean, it was behind something about your dog and something else. And I told him don't talk to me like. I told him don't talk to me like that. Yeah.
Okay, who is here?
I called you.
Okay.
I called you.
Come here, I called y'all first. Can y'all come here?
No, they're talking.
I called
So
you.
I can talk. Because I want to talk. Okay. So what happened? This happened in the room?
No. First of all, I want to deliver the help him out. First of all, second of all, it's just that what I'm wanting. The whole bottom thing is behind this is he's drunk. If you go to the drunk tank, it's over. We talk to you.
So you think that
And then he hit me a time or two on my face, and that's it. No, I gotta say it all. Give him a breathalyzer.
He's not driving.
No, he's not. He just grabbed me like this. Something like this. And then when he grabbed me, I grabbed him too. I'm like, I'm not clever.
Another cop pulling up.
Right there, whatever little thing is in the driveway, whatever. No, where my gray slippers at. On the side. Yeah, my house shoes is on the.
Okay, right there?
Yeah, right there. That's what happened right there.
Okay.
And it was about him. No, just my friend. He didn't have no fucking. I let him stay with me forever. Never. No, we just friends. He think once he get intoxicated, he can talk to anybody.
Jeez, a lot of people.
Stop sign right there.
Yeah, go ahead. He walked in my face. He walked in my phone real close like this. He grabbed me, and I grabbed him. And he grabbed me, and I grabbed him. I'm like, look, I'm like, he's going on the ground with that. That's the only thing you can lie about.
This is a relatively small little encampment too. Oh, I just noticed they have porta potties over here. I bet they're disgusting. Y'all want to open that? No. I don't. They got a surfboard on top of the fire truck.
I'm not gonna let him do nothing to me. So if you think once y'all really follow fast and I walk off, you want to do something to me? No, he's not. That's why I'm going to react. I'm not going to let him do nothing to me. Bottom line. So what?
Oh, shit. Oh, fuck this. Fuck everything. Fuck everything. Big time.
Crazy.
Stupid. 新闻界很二上他还接受命啊。
What happened?
Yeah.
But she attacked him first.
She attacked him, man. She attacked him. I was just sitting there. She attacked him. And one on me early in the morning for nothing.
Wow.
So, man, they don't have it. I don't have it. This kind of shit, man. One first. She almost here. I mean,
Yeah, she keep yelling and stuff.
and I think she caused a problem right here, man. They ain't doing it. She one talking with us and she doing her job.
Yeah.
But listen, motherfuckers, that means I ain't going to jail. If you hear, he out of line, he ain't this shit, man. Sorry. Take her in jail.
Yeah, she tripping.
Yeah, what? Yeah, say it again. Boy, I tell you, it's your home. Boy, I can't. Boy, I can't.
We're good. He doesn't want prosecution, so.
Soap opera over here.
No prosecution on his end, unless she's gonna press charges and they vote. Well, the problem, yeah, that's it. She's gonna be a
She
problem.
won't leave, man.
She doesn't. Oh, no, she doesn't. Yeah, I know.
I seen her ticket about this tall, first of all, right? I had my place for 5 years. I'm going to speak to him. Where we go program, man? And then was, so, God, okay, well, yeah. Man, that's how she I don't want to.
I don't think there's any reason.
All right, y'all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment. It's crazy over here.
I'm not doing that. They told him he got a right to freedom of speech. I got a right to a freedom of speech. Don't I? You got a right to a freedom of speech. You got a right to a freedom of speech. Get up. Get up around there.
Lots of dogs. It stinks over here. Uh-oh. These guys are over here scavenging. Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
She let Pat pump her up to get her head busted. He keep telling her shit. She want to come inquire. Bitch, none of your business.
Hello.
Both of you bitches act like y'all business.
Hello. Here's the other side of the post office. This post office is huge, man. Got some solar panels. Got, oh, that's a 75-inch TV back there. There's another cop coming. They're practicing. Oh, somebody's birthday. Taking a nap. That's crazy.
Yo, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Peace.